I'll be your anything if you be the one to take me home. Cause right now everything makes me wanna leave this place and roam. Make me feel alive.
Hi formulators, welcome to my channel. My name is Emma, and here on my channel I make skincare products and provide free formulas every single week. So today I'm making a Blue Tansy Dream Balm. You might be familiar with the practice of slugging, which has been trending in the skincare consumer community for quite a few years. Slugging is simply the practice of using an occlusive product overnight. Usually the occlusive product is used over other products like serums and moisturizers. Most people use Aquaphor or Vaseline or other petrolatum containing products, and for good reason. Petrolatum is one of the most occlusive ingredients you can use on your skin. That being said, I am not a huge fan. I find it quite suffocating and greasy. So I wanted to come up with something that was better absorbing, more elegant, and more lightweight. So I'm using berry wax to make this product. This is also called Japanese wax and sumac wax. I'm using berry wax because it's quite substantive on the skin and it has a lot of similarities to beeswax, which makes it a great wax for those of us who avoid animal-derived ingredients. I realize this is a bit more of an obscure ingredient, so I will have substitution suggestions in the description box. I'm using Blue Tansy essential oil, which is literally the only essential oil that I formulate skincare with, because it has incredible skin benefits and a beautiful deep blue color. Full disclosure, this product is inspired by the cult favorite Blue Cocoon by super high-end natural brand Lindstrom. I think that's enough talking, not enough making, so let's go ahead and get into it. So starting with our solid/dry ingredients, the first ingredient I'm adding to my beaker is 12 grams of berry wax, 3 grams of Lauryl Laurate. This is a solid ester that's going to give our balm a really nice dry and silky skin feel. 1.8 grams of Murumuru butter. This is one of my favorite butters for facial products. And 0.6 grams of polymethylsilsesquioxane. I think that's how it's pronounced. This is a spherical silicone powder that's also going to impart a very silky and dry skin feel to the balm. Moving on to our liquid ingredients, the first ingredient I'm adding to my beaker is 24 grams of isoamyl laurate. Next, I'm adding 6 grams of argan oil, 6 grams of apricot kernel oil,
Don't you think we're done?
and lastly, 6 grams of jojoba oil.
From the way you looked at me.
So that's all of our heated ingredients. I'm going to cover this with some aluminum foil and put it in a double boiler for about 20 minutes until all of our solid ingredients have melted. So it's been about 20 minutes, and as you can see, all of our solid ingredients have melted. I'm going to hand stir this for about 1 to 2 minutes. Let the temperature come down enough to add our cool down ingredients. Our cool down phase consists of only 2 ingredients, 0.3 grams of vitamin E and 0.3 grams of Blue Tansy essential oil.
Don't you think we're done?
So this is a hot pour type of product, so I was trying to work pretty quickly, and it is already time for packaging. So I am using this 1.5 ounce glass jar. I'm going to put this in the fridge for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to take it out and let it set up fully at room temperature.
Let me be the one.
So we are back, and I realized that you really couldn't see the product at all on my black countertop. So I'm using this photo backdrop now, and I'm hoping you can see much better. So this is what our balm looks like. And hopefully you can see that it's very smooth And I just love how it looks in this octagonal jar. And I also love the color. So let's do a swatch. I'm going to use what I have left over here in my beaker. So for an anhydrous product, it's incredibly lightweight, and that's because we used a high concentration of lightweight esters in this product. But even though it's lightweight, it still has a good amount of occlusion from the use of berry wax.
Don't you think we're done?
So it's almost absorbed now, but not completely, which is exactly the point. We want a thin layer of moisturizing product left on the skin. That's what makes this a night balm. If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you found the video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. I will be posting videos weekly going forward. Thank you so much.
Night's only begun. Don't you think we're done?